All right, I'm just gonna make a video real quick again, how to use your calculator to do the standard error. I'm only gonna show it for this calculator here, your Texas Instrument. If you need another one, just send a message or look online for a video. But the first thing you need to do is you need to identify your data. So we have this X and this Y data. We're trying to see, is there a correlation between them? And then what's the standard error? So the first thing you have to do is you will go to your stat, you will then go to your edit, and you will type in your X in your list 1 and your Y in your list 2, which I already did. All right, after you do that, you go back to your home screen and you'll do stat, scroll over to your calc section and go down to linear regression and press enter. Make sure your X values are in your X list, your Y values in your Y list, and then you calculate. All right, then it gives you all this information. It gives you your A, your B, and it gives you your correlation. All right, so then what we do is we go Y equals, if there's anything in here, you delete it. Then we press our vars button. We will then scroll down to statistics, so 5. We will scroll right to equations, EQ, and we press enter on regression equation. And whatever equation we just got when we solved for our linear regression, where it gave us our A and our B, so our B is 0.25 or A is 1.15, that is going to show up here. All right, then we will go second quit, back to stat, back to edit our list, and now at list 3, we will press vars again. We will scroll right to Y vars, press enter on function, and press enter on Y1 because that's where we had our regression equation. Then you will press parentheses, and wherever your X value is, which is our list 1, we will type that, so second 1 for list 1, and press enter. What this is telling your calculator to do is substitute all your values from list 1 into your regression equation. When you press enter, it calculates them all for you. Then in our list 4, we will do our list 2, which is our actual Y values, minus our projected Y values, list 3. And then in our list 5, we will square, so we'll go list 4, square, and it squares all of our values here. All right, then we will go second quit. Then we will do second stat, so it's that list, so we press second and stat, so it brings us our list. Scroll right to math and down to sum. And then you're going to add up everything in your list 5. So we press second 5 for our list 5, press enter. Then we divide this by our number of X values. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 X values. We subtract 2. So we divide this by 3. And then we take the square root of it. And that will be our standard error. All right, so that is one of the parts you have to do in this project.